What up, Dave's Roadies? Road Trip Dave is coming at you from Disney's Hollywood Studios in the Walt Disney World Resort. Come with me as we check out Toy Story Land, about 2 months from when it opened in 2018. We may even get to hop on a ride or two there. Let's do this. You all know the drill with all of my videos. Chokeslam that like button, leave a comment and share. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Follow me on all the social media, and you can donate to PayPal only if you want to. When we visited Disney World in August 2018, one of the newest areas of Hollywood Studios had only been open a couple of months, and that was Toy Story Land. Sit back, relax, and enjoy some of the sights and sounds of this very unique and amazingly themed part of the park.
Hey Jess! Hey Woody! What's up, man? Now we're going to Toy Story Mania. Good morning.
The first ride our family chose was Toy Story Mania. This was very cool because it had a much larger sign and queue for the standby entrance. The ride used to have a very inconspicuous entrance that got very crowded when the line started getting long. Now, it is far more spacious and the theming is spectacular as you wind through the collection of crayons, toys, and cards which make this ride such a classic.
But then we go by a couple times.
Unfortunately, I did not film the ride. Hey, I was trying to get a high score. You can check out more about this ride in the description below, though. On the other side of Toy Story Mania is Alien Swirling Saucers. I did film this ride, so if you want a complete tour and POV video, click on the link above to check it all out. Literally right next to this huge Buzz Lightyear in the ride entrance, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge was being built. Here's a little footage showing the progress of this section of the park. Next, we got to ride Slinky Dog Dash, which is a wonderful family roller coaster. The theming and layout of this ride was also amazing. It truly felt like we were a toy in Andy's backyard.
One here. I think one there, two here.
As a bonus, we got to see Captain Phasma and the First Order troops march into the central stage in front of the Chinese theater. This was a cool show, but now the stage has been removed, so I do not think the march is being done anymore. Check the Hollywood Studios link below for further details.
This is awesome.
Here is one of my favorite spots in the park, Echo Lake. I really hope you enjoyed this short little vlog of some Disney magic. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. More videos are coming your way, my roadies. Until next time, laters.